For introverts, Sartre's adage, "Hell is other people," may ring uncomfortably true. If that's something you can relate to, then the idea of networking to get ahead in your career may sound like a stomach-churning feat. So how can you overcome the fear of networking and learn to excel at it? These strategies will help. Divide and conquer. Identify groups of people, the ones you know, your friends, and the people you don't know. Approach your friends and ask them to introduce you to the people you have not met before. Use your active listening skills and let people talk about what they want. As an introvert, you're naturally good at active listening. Use that to your advantage and let the other person do most of the talking. Make it easy for others to start a conversation with you. Wear something interesting or unique that will draw people to you. It could be a shirt with an interesting quote on or a cool-looking tie. Focus on a few people and play the long game. Engage with a select few people and have meaningful conversations. Play matchmaker. Introduce your friends to new people. You'll build a stronger network and seem like a likable person. Practice these strategies at networking events, and you won't end up in a corner fantasizing about living in a cabin far away as a self-sufficient hermit. Well, you could still do that someday if you really want to.